Have you been looking for a city compact electric hybrid with a full hatch? Take a look at this 2017 Fiat 500e in Celeste Blue. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, power heated mirrors, 15-inch aluminum wheels, tinted glass windows, rear window wiper and washer, Fiat premium audio system, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, premium 7-inch color cluster display, 5-inch touchscreen display, GPS navigation, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, 12-volt auxiliary power outlet in center console, supplemental side curtain front airbags, rear 50/50 split fold-down seats, rear park assist, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5409.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.